Now 100 points gone on the Nifty and 360 points gone on the Sensex, falling pretty rapidly on the exchanges now. The Bank Nifty is down about 300 odd points and looks like, the pressure is getting deeper. The advanced decline ratio has also opened in favor of declines at over 400 stocks on the declining side. So let's quickly check out what's on the losing end. It's a mix between banks and IT. So both the heavyweights leading from the front on the downside. Infosys TCS down over 2% at the start. IndusInd Bank, SBI, couple of other banking names also under pressure, down 1.5%. Tata Consumer is down over 1% as well. And in the IT bunch, you have names like Tech Mahindra that are also losing steam. By the way, Adani Enterprises, our colleague Vivek was telling us about how they've put on hold their Mundra project. They've suspended plans to raise 14,000 crores for the Mundra project. The stock has had a fair bit of recovery this month, but today it's down about 2.5%. So just keep an eye out on that. What is batting for the bulls this morning? Few and far between, really. It's just pharmaceutical names, perhaps some defensive names. Dr. Reddy's Divi's Labs in the green. Asian Paints, HUL Titan, a couple of consumption names also a tad in the green, not too much really. But the market is in a bright shade of red this morning. In fact, the Nifty, after a 100-point fall, is not really, stopping in terms of a sell-off. And lots happening in the broader markets too. The mid-cap index too is down almost about 0.5%. So not a good opening at all.
Well, that's right. Not a good opening at all. Sonia, you said it. Well, a few stocks from the broader markets that have opened up in the green. You have JK Paper. The stock was up close to 100%. Remember, the management told us that they're guiding for around 6,500 crores for this year, 7,000 crores for next year. Godavari Power and Ispat as well. Mild green is what we saw on that stock as well. Tata Consumer, well, the company has clarified that negotiations with Distillery for the potential acquisition has been ceased. So that stock, in fact, should come up for you on the screen as well. Let's get up Tata Consumer. That's down close to around 1.5%. We have Canfin Homes, new boss coming in after a long while. It was on expected lines, but that's a positive as well. So that's why that one's holding up well in the green. CMAC, they're talking about a bit of a restructuring that they're taking place out there. So that stock as well, I think the initial tick was in the green. And Kochi Shipyard as well, that's the other stock that is in focus today. So a few stocks in the green, but we're getting to a very, very crucial level. A couple of sessions ago, we bounced off 16,950. The bulls will want to hold on to that level. And if they could, maybe risk-reward favors you when the Nifty is down 125 points as we speak. Survey.
Absolutely, Nigel. In fact, Thursday was the low, 16,850, exactly that level from where there was some attempt at a recovery. Let's see if that holds or not. We're about 100 points off it, and this is the morning. And very clear trades coming in. Global-facing stocks and sectors getting completely sold off. So your metal and IT taking it on the chin. And the problem point for the market has been banks, and that hasn't changed. Bank Nifty is down 350 points. The cut on the Nifty is a whole 137, 138 and counting. TCS, Infosys, these are your big names where the pressure is coming in. And mid-caps also taking it sticking to a lot of caution on the mid-cap screens. No sign of bargain fishing or bottom hunting. None of that happening, at least as of now. Caution is what the market is going with. Okay, so as we go through these rates and let this opening settle, let's take the conversation to our market master of the morning, Gautam Trivedi, co-founder and managing partner at Napin Capital, is with us.